Hello friends, I am Sister Pavitra, Principal Carmel Convent Senior Secondary School, BHL Bhopal. I am highly delighted to introduce the school toppers for the academic session 2019-20. We have Tanya Pradha from class 12th topping the school and Srishti Edi from class 10th topping the school. I congratulate them for their great success and achievement. They could bring this great achievement through their hard work, perseverance, and determination. Also, the credit goes to all the teachers of the school and their parents too. Their constant guidance, motivation enabled and strengthened the students to walk to a high scale. At this juncture, I am very happy to congratulate and thank the award ceremony organization AKS for holding this program to encourage and motivate the students. They have taken all the efforts to bring a common platform for all the students in order to encourage and motivate the students. And I am really thankful to the organizing committee for arranging this program. Once again, I congratulate all the students and the members of the organizing committee. Thank you. God bless.
My name is Tanya Pratap and I am from Carmel Convent School, BHL Bhopal. I have passed my 12th grade from Commerce stream and have topped my school with 99% overall. First of all, I would like to give special thanks to AKS Education Awards for National School Toppers Award. The entire credit of my achievement primarily goes to my principal, Sister Pavitra. Her constant motivation and full-fledged dedication towards her students is something without which my own hard work would not have been fruitful. So a sincere thanks to Sister Pavitra. Secondly, all my teachers. Whatever I have achieved today is a part of their knowledge that they have imparted within me. So a sincere and genuine thanks goes to all my dear teachers. Hard work is not the only thing which matters, but so does the atmosphere in which it is done. So the credit also goes to my parents for supporting me till date and having my back always. Lastly, I would like to express a genuine gratitude to the entire staff of Carmel Convent School for acting as the supportive pillars of Carmel and who definitely hold a special mention in all our success and achievements. Thank you.
We are today proud and privileged of Ms. Tanya Pratap, the topper of our school, Carmel Convent Senior Secondary School, BHL Bhopal, who raised the banner of our institution by securing 99% from the common stream. For a great achievement, I thank Lord Almighty for His blessings and our principal, Reverend Sister Pavitra, for her continuous prayers and support. I also thank our entire Carmel team. I extend my sincere thanks to AKS Education for awarding and honoring the students for their excellent performance. Once again, I congratulate Ms. Tanya Pratap for a great success and wish her a bright future. Thank you very much.
Greetings everyone. I am Mehjabeen Kaur Ahmed, a student of class 12, Humanities stream from Carmel Convent Senior Secondary School, BHL. I would specially like to thank the AKS Education Awards for the National School Toppers Award for the category Spring Topper. I believe that success is the sum total of small efforts repeated consistently day in and day out. Together with this, I would surely assert that my achievements wouldn't have been possible without God's abundant grace, the generous and selfless efforts of our principal, Reverend Sister Pavitra, all my highly proficient teachers whose assistance made a mere dream a concrete reality, and of course, my dearest parents. Their love and support will always be cherished in my heart.
हेलो एवरीवन, मैं मिसेज अमृत कौर महजबीन कौर अहमद की मदर हूँ। महजबीन कार्मल कॉन्वेंट BHL भोपाल की 12th क्लास की स्टूडेंट है और इनका सब्जेक्ट ह्यूमैनिटीज है। मैं थैंक्स कहना चाहती हूँ AKS एजुकेशन अवार्ड्स को जिन्होंने इन बच्चों को सम्मानित किया। साथ ही मैं थैंक्स कहना चाहूँगी स्कूल प्रिंसिपल सिस्टर पवित्रा को और उन टीचर्स का जिन्होंने इन बच्चों को पढ़ाया है और बहुत मेहनत की है ताकि इन बच्चों का रिजल्ट अच्छा आ सके। क्योंकि मैं गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉय हूँ, इसीलिए मेरी कोशिश रहती है खासकर क्लास 9 से कि जब भी इनके फाइनल एग्जाम होते थे तो मैं ये कोशिश करती थी उस समय मैं 2 या 3 महीने की छुट्टी ले लूँ ताकि मैं इन पर इनका ध्यान रख सकूँ। मुझे खुशी हुई है कि इनका रिजल्ट बहुत अच्छा आया है। थैंक्स टू स्कूल एंड थैंक्स टू AKS।
Today, I am extremely thankful to the Lord Almighty to be the class teacher of Miss Mahjabeen Kaur Ahmed, who reached the pinnacle of success, scoring 98.4% marks, taking the level of Carmel Convent Senior Secondary School BHL Bhopal to an incredible height as the topper of humanities field. She made the principal, Sister Pavitra, and her entire crew members to cherish this awesome moment, to feel proud and be blessed for grooming her into a wonderful personality. I truly extend my profound gratitude to AKS Education for awarding and honoring the Jewel of Carmel, Miss Mahjabeen Kaur, for her brilliant performance in the 12th CBSE 2019 and 20 batch. Mahjabeen was focused on her goal from primary to secondary level, excelling throughout. She took all the challenges as an opportunity and dared to explore her talents in her unique way. Today, from the bottom of my heart, I bless her to explore the world with confidence as per the will of God. I, on behalf of the entire Carmel family, congratulate and wish her good luck for her future endeavors.
Greetings everyone, I am Soumya Shukla from class 12B, Carmel Convent Senior Secondary School BHL Bhopal. I am biology stream topper and Sanskrit subject topper from my school. I would like to thank AKS Education Awards for National School Toppers Award. Regular studies, clearing all difficult concepts, repeated revisions and question practice led to this achievement. I would like to thank my school for holding regular tests and 2 pre-boards to help us evaluate the status of our preparation. My highly qualified teachers who always encouraged me, cleared my doubts and motivated me. And lastly, my parents who always helped me, guided me, supported me, motivated me throughout my journey. Thank you everyone.
I am Anurag Shukla, father of Soumya Shukla, working as Additional General Manager in BHL, and my wife is Rashmi Shukla, working in LIC. We thank principal and teachers of Carmel Convent School for providing valuable guidance and AKS Awards Foundation for promoting her and providing us an opportunity to share our joy on her achievement. Soumya is basically an introvert child but intelligent and studious. She studied with focus on clarity of concepts and was restless till all her doubts were cleared. She received various laurels in her schooling journey. She cleared National Science Olympiad in Biology and Chemistry and KVPY exam. Entire family, including Srimati Kamlesh Shukla, her grandmother, and Tanmay, her younger brother, have always been very supportive and took great care of her. We thank Carmel Convent School and AKS Foundation for recognizing her achievement and providing us this opportunity to share our feelings. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, I am Nirma Sakale from class 12 of 2019-20 batch and I am stream topper of PCM stream from Carmel Convent School. My story for scoring good marks in board exams is my love for science. It started at a very early age when my teachers made me realize that science is all around us all the time. It was because of this perception of my studies that I started developing a keen interest in science and started working hard on it as well. My parents have also motivated and guided me. They have supported me in all of my decisions and have provided me with an environment that has helped me focus on my studies. Lastly, I would like to thank AKS Education Awards for recognizing the hard work of toppers by organizing the National School Toppers Award. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Ganesh Ravi. mother of Mahima Sakali. She is stream topper in my subject, Formal Community School, Bhopal. She has always been sincere in her studies. I was fully confident that she will perform well. A special thanks to all her teachers. They guided and motivated her. There is no shortcut to success. It's all her hard work and focus. Big thanks to AKS Education Awards for awarding my daughter. Thanks a lot.
Hello everyone, I am Tanisha Jain from Carmel Convent Senior Secondary School, BHL, Bhopal. It's a proud moment for me as by the grace of God, I have scored 96% in 12 CBSE board examinations and topped in the PCM stream. I've got 100 marks in mathematics, which is my favorite subject. First of all, I would like to thank AKS Education Awards for organizing this event to appreciate our efforts. I will give the credit of my success to my school principal and teachers who have constantly supported and motivated me throughout this journey. My sincere thanks to my parents who made me realize my potential and taught me to prioritize my goals. I believe that time management plays a big role when you are preparing for any exam or anything else in life. I used to plan my day before I start and tried to achieve the day's task. Naturally, all days were not the same. There were times when I felt fed up, and so I took enough time to relax and spend time with the family. Thank you everyone for listening to me so patiently. Lastly, I would like to say that where there's a will, there's a way.
PCM स्ट्रीम से 90 से 637 अंक प्राप्त कर टॉप किया। ये मेरे लिए बहुत गर्व का विषय है कि AKS एजुकेशन अवार्ड द्वारा मेरी बेटी के सफल परिणाम के लिए इसे पुरस्कृत किया जाता है। मैं आप सब श्रेष्ठ जनों के लिए हृदय से धन्यवाद देती हूँ। साथ में मैं कार्मल कॉन्वेंट BHL स्कूल प्रिंसिपल टीचर्स को भी धन्यवाद देती हूँ। मेरी बेटी की बचपन से ही पढ़ाई में बहुत रुचि रही है। उसकी इस लगातार मेहनत और प्रयास से मुझे पक्का विश्वास था कि वो 12th में भी सफलता प्राप्त करेगी। मैं उसके पापा ने मैंने कभी उस पर प्रेशर नहीं डाला पढ़ाई की। हमेशा कहते कि बेटी पढ़ाई करो, रिजल्ट की चिंता मत करो। धन्यवाद।
सभी लोगों के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Rashmi Mishra, a senior PGT from Carmel Convent Senior Secondary School, BHL, Bhopal. I am extremely privileged and thankful to AKS Education Awards for honoring and awarding 3 successful warriors of my class, Soumya Shukla, Tanisha Jain, Mahima Sakali. I call them successful warriors because they always had a laser-like focus. Enthusiastic learning has always been easier for them because they always related their studies to everyday happening. Passionate learning was never being marks oriented for them. It was always to dive into the depth of the subject. Being regular in studies, strategic preparation, and always being focused are the key features of their success. God bless you, my dear children. May you achieve greater heights in your life. God bless you. And again thankful to AKS Education Awards for honoring and awarding the national school toppers. I am privileged to be a class teacher of these 3 students of mine. Thank you. God bless you.
Hello everyone, I am Sukriti Chakravarti of Carmel Convent Senior Secondary School, BHL, Bhopal. I appeared for the 12th standard board examinations this year, wherein I secured 96% marks and stood as the PCM stream topper in the school along with 2 other students. For this great result, I'd first like to thank the Almighty, for He has blessed me with my parents, my teachers and my school. Without His blessings, this wouldn't have ever been possible. I'd like to thank my parents for supporting and guiding me in the right direction since childhood. I'd like to extend my thanks to Sister Pavitra and all the other sisters who have created such an environment in the school that enabled and encouraged me to study well. And coming to my teachers, I'd like to thank all of them right from kindergarten for molding me to reach a level where I can grasp and understand whatever is being taught in this message. Thank you so much.
Hello everybody, I am K. Chakravarti, Sukriti's father. I fully endorse the views that Sukriti expressed about her school and the teachers. I also think that PTM in this course of schooling has been very important, and that has helped us in initiating her on the path that she is in today. During the PTM, we could discuss with teachers about her weaknesses and strengths, and with their guidance, we could do course correction for her further development. For her good result, I would also like to thank Sister Pavitra for leading the school with such a wonderful result year after year. I would also like to thank AKS Education Award for felicitating meritorious students. Thanks.
I am Mrs. G. Sridevi, Senior PGT, Kamal Convent Senior Secondary School, BHEL, Bhopal. Chemistry teacher for Mahima Sakale, Tanisha Agarwal and Sukriti Chakravarti, also Sukriti's class teacher. Teaching for so many years gives us the experience and expertise to guide and motivate our students as best as possible to ace the board and competitive examination. We thank AKS Group for acknowledging the efforts of students and teachers. This achievement would not have been possible without the support of our principal, Sister Pavitra. Thank you.
Greetings to everyone. I'm Akshita Singh and I'm one of the Sanskrit toppers of the school. I've scored 100 marks in the same. I would like to thank the guiding lights in my journey, which are my school principal, Sister Pavitra, for providing an extremely supportive environment. Also, my Sanskrit school teacher, Mrs. Prabha Gupta ma'am, for teaching me so well. She never had doubts of doubt in me. Also, my parents for providing me all of this. And AKS Education Awards for this encouraging felicitation. I would like to add in the end that a calm sea never made a good sailor. So use your time wisely and into your advantage by multiple revision, constant and thorough practice and solving previous year question papers. All the best.
Good morning everyone, I am Shashi Gupta from Karnal Convent School and I have secured 93.4% in my 10th board examination. I thank AKS Education Award. I am very thankful to my school principal, teachers and my parents who supported me and encouraged me throughout. I secured 100 marks in Sanskrit. Not only Sanskrit but in every subject it is based on practicing more and learning more. I did this only. I solved many question paper and sample paper and showed them to my teachers. My teachers pointed out my mistakes and advised me the ways to attempt the questions. I worked on my mistakes and got these marks. I feel very proud and glad to say that without my teachers, I wouldn't have been able to score these many percentage. Lastly, I would like to thank God Almighty who showered His abundance blessings on me. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मैं प्रभा गुप्ता, संस्कृत टीचर कार्मल कॉन्वेंट स्कूल BHEL भोपाल। सबसे पहले मैं AKS एजुकेशन को उनके इस सराहनीय और प्रेरणादायी प्रयास के लिए बहुत साधुवाद देना चाहूँगी। संस्कृत विषय में पूर्णांक लाने वाले ये बच्चे अक्षिता सिंह, कशिश कनोडिया, शुभ्रा एंगोले, सृष्टि यति, सृष्टि गुप्ता, वी सृष्टि और विजया चक्रवर्ती ये कोई अनोखे बच्चे नहीं हैं, बल्कि समय की नियमितता, कठिन परिश्रम, कठिनाइयों का निरंतर निवारण और सतत अभ्यास ने इनको ये उन्नति की उड़ान भरने के लिए पंख प्रदान किए हैं। मैं इनके उज्जवल भविष्य के लिए बहुत शुभकामनाएं देती हूँ। साथ ही विद्यालय प्रबंधन और प्राचार्य सिस्टर पवित्रा को मैं बहुत धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगी, जिन्होंने हम शिक्षिकाओं और छात्रों को विद्यालय में सुखद, स्वतंत्र और आत्मीय वातावरण में अध्ययन अध्यापन करने का अवसर प्रदान किया है। धन्यवाद।
मैं आयुषी नंदी, कार्मल कॉन्वेंट सीनियर सेकेंडरी स्कूल BHEL भोपाल। इस साल CBSE 10th बोर्ड परीक्षाओं में मैंने हिंदी विषय में 98% अंक प्राप्त किए हैं। मैं AKS एजुकेशन अवार्ड्स फॉर नेशनल स्कूल टॉपर्स को धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगी कि उन्होंने मेरी इस सफलता को सराहा। इस विषय में सफलता का कारण हिंदी भाषा में मेरी रुचि तथा विभिन्न प्रख्यात लेखकों द्वारा लिखी गई साहित्य से जुड़ी पुस्तकों को पढ़ना है।
साल भर हमारी प्रिंसिपल सिस्टर पवित्रा और विषय की शिक्षिका अपर्णा मैम द्वारा दिए गए सुझावों तथा उनके योग्य मार्गदर्शन का मैंने पालन किया, जिसने इस विषय को मेरे लिए अत्यंत सरल तथा रोचक बनाया। विषय की तैयारी मैंने अपनी रचनात्मक लेखन शैली तथा व्याकरण पर विशेषकर ध्यान देते हुए और नियमित अध्ययन के साथ किया, जो कि परीक्षा में मेरी सफलता का मूल मंत्र बना। मैं अपनी सफलता का श्रेय प्रिंसिपल सिस्टर पवित्रा, शिक्षिका, अपने स्कूल तथा माता पिता को समर्पित करना चाहूँगी, जिनके साल भर के निरंतर प्रोत्साहन और मार्गदर्शन के बिना न केवल मैं बल्कि मेरे सभी सहपाठी यह नहीं कर पाए। धन्यवाद।
Everyone, I'm Tanishka Vishwas of Carmel Convent Senior Secondary School, BHL Bhopal. I scored 90.3% in my 10th CBSE board and also scored 98 marks in Hindi subject, which is the highest in our school. I duly thank Sister Pavitra, all my respected teachers and my parents for supporting me throughout the journey of 10th standard. Without their support, it wouldn't have been possible to pass with flying colors in 10th standard without any coaching classes and tuitions. Thank you so much.
Hello, I am mother of Tanishka Vishwas. My daughter scored 98 marks in Hindi subject. This is the highest in the school in 10th CBSE board. I really thank school principal Sister Pavitra and all the school teachers for supporting her and making this achievement possible. Thank you so much.
निकल आते हैं वो समस्या की गहराइयों से, जिनके हौसलों में गजब की जान होती है। वही होते हैं असल में हर सफलता के काबिल, मिलने वाली बधाइयों से उनकी शान होती है। नमस्कार, मैं अपर्णा सिद्धभट्टी, कार्मल कॉन्वेंट स्कूल BHL से। कुछ दिन पूर्व ही 10वीं और 12वीं का परीक्षा परिणाम घोषित हुआ। मैं सभी सफलता प्राप्त छात्राओं को हृदय से बधाई देती हूँ। विद्यालय की नींव प्राचार्य होते हैं, जिनके मार्गदर्शन में शिक्षक अपने शैक्षणिक कार्यों को गति देते हैं एवं छात्र विद्यालय का नाम उज्जवल करते हैं। अतः सर्वप्रथम प्राचार्य सिस्टर पवित्रा के प्रति हम अत्यधिक कृतज्ञता प्रकट करते हैं, जिनके दिशा निर्देशों पर कार्य करते हुए हमने अध्यापन कार्य किया और सभी छात्राओं ने अथक परिश्रम से विद्यालय को गौरवान्वित किया। हिंदी आम बोलचाल की भाषा है, परंतु सर्वाधिक अभिव्यक्ति का सशक्त माध्यम भी है। हम कक्षा 10वीं की अनुष्का शर्मा, आयुषी नंदी और तनिष्का विश्वास पर गर्व करते हैं, जिन्होंने हिंदी विषय में 98% अंक प्राप्त कर भाषा का मान बढ़ाया, तथा AKS एजुकेशन अवार्ड्स फॉर नेशनल स्कूल टॉपर्स के भी हम आभारी हैं, जिन्होंने छात्राओं का उत्साहवर्धन किया। अंत में मैं सभी छात्राओं के लिए कहना चाहूँगी, हौसला बुलंद कर रास्तों पर चल दे, हौसला बुलंद कर रास्तों पर चल दे, तुझे तेरा मुकाम मिल जाएगा। अकेला तू पहल कर काफिला खुद बन जाएगा। ना कामयाबी की धुंध से न घबराना, ना कामयाबी की धुंध से न घबराना, कामयाबी का सूरज तेरी तकदीर रोशन कर जाएगा, तेरी तकदीर रोशन कर जाएगा।
Hello and warm regards to everyone. I'm Srishti Ati from Carmel Convent Senior Secondary School, BHU Bhopal, and this year I appeared for my 10th board examinations and I have secured first position in my school with 98%. I've also secured top ranks in 3 of my subjects, that are English, in which I secured 98 out of 100, Sanskrit, in which I secured 100 out of 100, and Social Studies, in which I again secured 100 out of 100. It's my privilege to thank AKS Award Academy for continuously motivating the students by their concerted efforts. I would also like to thank my school and my teachers who always helped me, guided me and motivated me. I would also like to thank our principal, Sister Pavitra, who helped me and guided me through her experienced mentorship. I would also like to thank my parents for helping me throughout my journey. Thank you.
आप सभी को नमस्कार। मैं सृष्टि यति का फादर हूँ। सृष्टि यति ने 98% जो BHL भोपाल कार्मल कॉन्वेंट स्कूल है उससे लेकर आई हैं। मैं पूरे स्कूल परिवार जिसमें प्रिंसिपल हैं, समस्त टीचर बंधु हैं, उन सभी का मैं अपने परिवार की तरफ से और भोपाल के नागरिकों की तरफ से उनका हार्दिक आभार व्यक्त करता हूँ। आपने इतनी अच्छी शिक्षा दी जिससे वो इतने अच्छे परसेंट लेके आई है। मैं इसके लिए AKS एजुकेशन अवार्ड जो सोसाइटी है उसका भी आभार व्यक्त करता हूँ पूरे परिवार की तरफ से, जो इस तरह के बच्चों को मोटिवेट कर रही है और उनका जीवन उज्जवल बने इसके लिए एक प्रयास कर रही है। मैं इसी संस्था का भी आभार व्यक्त करता हूँ। धन्यवाद।
Hello, I'm D. Srishti from Carmel Convent Senior Secondary School, Bhopal. I have secured 96.6% in the class 10 board exams. I scored the highest marks in my school in Sanskrit with 100 marks and in science with 98 marks. I would like to thank AKS Education Awards for providing me this platform and honoring me with the National School Toppers Award. I would also like to thank my parents, teachers and school for guiding me and supporting me throughout my journey. I did not take any coaching or tuition classes and daily revised what was taught in class. In the final days before the exams, I also practiced previous year papers which were significantly helpful to analyze my weak areas and enabled me to work on them. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Shriya Bajpayee of class 10 from Carmel Convent School, BHL Bhopal, and I've secured 99 marks in maths subject. I would like to thank AKS Education Awards for honouring me with National School Toppers Award. Well, from the beginning I've been interested in maths, and for my 10th I strictly followed NCERT book for practicing the questions and building strong concepts. My success mantra has always been follow the master, face the devil, fight till the end and finish the game. I would like to express and extend my heartfelt gratitude towards all my teachers for the tremendous and earnest efforts. And I would like to acknowledge my parents and the entire school management for their immense support and guidance. Lastly, to conclude, I would like to quote a few words. Don't just read success stories. Create one of your own.
Hello everyone, my name is Asthaban and I am a student of Carmel Convent Senior Secondary School, BHL Bhopal. I have secured highest marks in class 10 CBSE board exam in my school. I would like to extend my special thanks to AKS Global Education Awards for National School Toppers Award. Mathematics requires concept clarity and ability to apply them for problem solving. Teachers' guidance and rigorous regular practice along with solving previous year's papers helped me strike a perfect balance between speed and accuracy, and I was able to secure 99 in this subject. I would like to thank Almighty, my school, honorable principal, teachers and my parents for the constant support and unwavering belief in my capabilities. Thank you.
I am delighted to introduce myself. I am Shubhra Ingole of class 10th of Carmel Convent Senior Secondary School, BHL Bhopal, and my category is subject topper for subjects Maths and Sanskrit. I am really thankful and grateful to AKS Education Awards for providing me this opportunity to share my success story with everyone. The greatest factor behind my success was my consistency towards the studies. I scored the highest marks in Maths and Sanskrit, and both of them are the scoring subjects. But at the same time they require a lot of practice. So practice was the main key to it. The credit for my success goes to my parents, teachers as well as the school management. I am really indebted to my parents who worked hard for me and supported me whenever I needed them. I would like to give a special thanks to my school teachers who clarified each and every doubt of mine and gave their balanced opinion to me. Last but not least, I would like to thank the school management who kept us motivated and encouraged us by organizing various orientation programs. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I Ashdeep Kaur, a maths teacher at Carmel Convent Senior Secondary School, BHL Bhopal. I feel proud to share with you all that 5 students of our school have scored 99% marks in mathematics and brought laurels to the school. I thank to the management, especially our principal, Sister Pavitra, who keeps on motivating and encouraging students to achieve success. I thank to AKS Education Awards for national toppers for awarding students. I believe it is the hard work and perseverance of the students that pays. So I congratulate all the students. Stay motivated always, as sky is the limit.
Hello everyone, I am Shrestha Yadav from Carmel Convent School. I have scored 95.8% in my 10th boards exam. along which I scored 99 marks in maths and 98 marks in science, which is the highest for both the subjects in my school. I would like to thank AKS Educational Awards for celebrating my success by the means of this precious award. Now, I was very consistent and regular with my studies, which gave me such great results. I would suggest students to make handwritten notes for themselves and practice as many sample papers as possible. Now, I would like to thank my school, my teachers and my parents as they have given me the perfect environment and support. My school would conduct many examinations which gave us a lot of practice and knowledge about the papers as well. My teachers were always there for us and they gave us the advices which helped us in every possible way. My parents gave me this space and this freedom which I required for my preparation for my exams. Now it is only because of the hard work of my teachers, my parents and me that I have had the opportunity of speaking in front of this audience. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Sanvi Jain, a student of Carmel Convent Senior Secondary School, BHL, and I have secured 98 marks out of 100 in science in the recent CBSE 10th result and hence has become the subject topper of my school for the season. I would like to give a special thanks to the AKS Education for organizing the National School Toppers Awards. It was a very great feeling for me and this came true because of the valuable guidance of my school, my principal, vice principal and the endless efforts of my teacher. Besides this, I would love to thank my parents and my younger sister for supporting me and always creating a positive environment for me so that I could focus on my studies. Lastly, I would like to thank my parents, my teachers, my school and all the people directly or indirectly associated with me so that I could achieve such a big score. Thank you very much.
Hi, dear all. With immense pleasure, I, Theresiama Thomas, chemistry teacher of Carmel Convent Senior Secondary School, BHL, Bhopal, share my happiness on the virtual events for School Toppers Award by AKS. Carmel students always excel because of the best practices of our school. CMC sisters always make schools a better place to work and learn. Our sisters are amazing leaders in prayers and dedication to play a huge role in the success of teachers as well as students. A good principal reflects on the year's achievement. Our dear principal, Sister Pavitra, always go an extra mile to encourage and help the teachers and students. Sister principals, long hours hard work make such a difference to ensure the learning and growth of both our students and staff. We are blessed with all modern techniques to impart knowledge to the students. Thus, school has fostered a sense of support and appreciation that allows us as educators to improve our teaching. This enables us to give the best to our students. Our students, Shrestha Yadav, V. Srishti and Sanvi Jain were regular, punctual, obedient and disciplined in their work. So they excelled in science of 10th board examination. We all are forever grateful to our school. I am very thankful to AKS for conducting this beautiful award function. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Priya Agrawal and I am a student of class 10 Carmel Convent Senior Secondary School, BHL, Bhopal. I have scored 98 marks in English in CBSE 10th board examinations. Firstly, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to AKS for recognizing our efforts and for felicitating us. My sincere thanks to our school principal, Sister Pavitra, for her guidance. Special mention to all my teachers, school staff, my family for being my source of inspiration and for honing my skills in English. To secure good grades in English, constantly practice article and short story writing. Revise and learn the character sketch, theme of all the stories and poems well. Lastly, I would like to quote a line by philosopher Confucius. It doesn't matter how slowly you go, as long as you do not stop. So believe in yourself and keep working hard to achieve your goal.
Hello everyone, this is Shreya Raghuvanshi of Carmel Convent Senior Secondary School, BHEL Bhopal. I am currently studying in class 11 and I secured 94.17% in my CBSE class 10 board exams. I also scored the highest marks in the school, that is 98 out of 100 in English language and literature. I am immensely thankful to AKS Education Award for National School Toppers for acknowledging this achievement. The key factors that helped me during my preparation were a regular and strong grip over the answer writing practice combined with an effective reading. This success could not have been achieved without the help of my teachers and the constant support of my parents. I am thankful to them for showing their faith in me. Thank you.
Thanks to everyone. My name is Suchi Khalil from Carmel Convent Senior Secondary School and I scored 98 marks in 10th board examination in English subject, and I am a school topper in the same subject as well. And the credit of my success goes to my teachers and my school and the entire school management who were always there with me to motivate me and guide me. I would also like to thank Sister Pavitra, who without her guidance and support I would have done nothing, and I extend my heartfelt gratitude to AKS Education Award for National School Topper to acknowledge my success and to reward me.